Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finished already 2:30. So I extend 30 minutes. And that 30 minutes is going to be part of my future extra day off. And I am now here at the Salamander Bay Shopping Square in front of the Aldi, the grocery. I choose to park in this area because I want to be near to the return and earn. Yeah, because I have these things. These are plastics bottles. So I'm going to get 10 cents from that machine.
During time lapse mode.
And it doesn't feel winter today. When I get inside this van, after my duty, yeah, it was very hot inside, like summer. And here at the moment, it is also not cold. The air is not cold. There's no wind. So I just open my app and I just need to scan this barcode from the machine and it start to work. And suddenly it is broken. Okay, let's move here. It's not accepting this. You know, I don't know where to put this. Yeah, no garbage bin here this time. And I actually get this 60 cents. I am thinking of going inside, but if I go there, I will spend money. I don't want to spend. So now I don't know. Or maybe I should go to Aldi because this time they have new special of the week. We are now here in the petrol station and I'm going to put the gas. I have just 3 bars of gas. I'm going to make it full tank. Sometimes the diesel is very expensive and sometimes it is cheaper than unleaded. Okay, 110.56, 65.15 liters, and we are now going there to pay. This one looks beautiful, but when I wear it, it's not good to me. Okay, we are home and it is now 3:40. I am hungry, so I am preparing my meal. I'm going to fry this one. This is the spam, the one that is coming from Riley and Divina. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, it is already 2:35. I worked today from 6 o'clock and I finished at 2 o'clock. And I have been here in the house. I just went to the toilet. And yeah, I am now preparing my meal. I cooked the rice before going to the toilet actually. And still I don't have much here. So what I am going to eat? Oh, the chicken. Yeah, I actually have this roasted chicken. This is coming from the freezer. I defrosted it yesterday, last night, so that I have something to eat today. Yeah, this much. How I am going to cook it? Oh, I put it in the oven. Yeah, I put it in the oven. I am going out later before 4 o'clock or before 5 o'clock. I need to check what time it is going to close the post office. Again, I sold one thing and I'm going to send it. And we are now here in the town center. And like what I've said, I'm going to ship this that I'm selling online. It is good that I sold in these 2 days, yesterday and today. Hopefully every day. Okay, so yeah, I just sent the parcel. And now we're going to do the, I don't know if to do hiking or Yeah, let's go hiking. Yeah, the same place in Tomari Mountain. The sun is there, and hopefully when we get to the top of the mountain will be the sunset. Yeah, and this is how it is. Oh, just now I noticed it's actually a lot of dry leaves. Yeah, so it's not good. It looks messy. Yeah, okay, so we're going to hike this mountain. Like what I've said, this hiking is my alternative for my chin up and pull-ups. Yeah, I think doing this is better. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I think doing this is better than the chin up and pull-ups because it does a lot for the whole body. And hopefully we catch the sunset touching the horizon. This is an exercise. This is not relax, not strolling. And you can see, you can hear my breathing. Yeah, tired already. There's actually a lot of people walking, climbing up here. Look at that, beautiful. Positive. Yeah, we'll be able to see the sun hitting the horizon. Sunset. Yeah, we are now here. Yeah, we are now near to the top. I can actually hear the people. And there are some people down there. Yeah, that is the Senate Beach Rock Box Beach. And oh, I forgot. What is that? Okay, I keep on going up. It's the top. Yeah, it is tiring, but it's good. Wow, how beautiful is that? The color. Look at that, the color of that sky. There's one fishing boat. The clouds is down to the mountain. Yeah. Do you know that for you to be able to get to that mountain, you need to travel at least 1 hour to get to that mountain? Yeah, so basically you will go to the area of Newcastle, all the way to Tea Garden, Hawks Nest, until you get to this mountain. And look at that, the sky. I mean the sun is now hitting the cloud, the horizon, the mountain. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to use my mobile phone to take picture of that. Okay, that's it. We are going down now. And do you know that I am one of the lucky person to see the sunrise? I mean, in the morning around 6 o'clock in my workplace, I can see the sky color like this. I mean, it's lighter, also beautiful also. And then yeah, in the night, like this time, I can see it like that. Beautiful. That's why you need to wake up early to see all the beauty of the day. Yeah, the beauty of the sunrise and the beauty of the sunset. I feel like this shoes is dangerous in a walkway like this. That is because I forgot to wear my rubber shoes. I don't know if they also made a new improvement on the gun emplacement area. Yeah, next time we go there. And there is one family going up there. Yeah, 3 kids and the father and the mother. They are not halfway yet, For sure, once they are up there, already dark when they are going down. And another couple just go up. Yeah. Actually, this is open 24 hours. But yeah, no, you need to take care of yourself. There's no light, there's no water up there, nothing. So you bring your own water and bring your own flashlight. Good afternoon, guys. Here we are here in the grocery today. Yeah, I did not do chin-up pull-ups. Yeah, because I'm going to edit video, and probably tonight, yeah, I'm going to a birthday party. I'm not sure. And you know, the footpath here is not yet finished. Yeah. Ah, now I understand. So basically, they just moved the footpath from here to here. Yeah, they did that because that one is directly facing to the entry of the grocery. The one with birthday is a kid, so I'm going to get something for the kid. Oh, I'm going to get this one. Yeah, because Spider-Man is my favorite character, so this is what I'm going to give. I am tempted to get this one. This is pork loin. Yeah, it's $21. Yeah, I'm taking it. I spent $38 today. Okay, we are home. It's already 40. This is my very first time to buy this pork loin. Not crispy anymore, and lots of fat. So yeah, this is how it is. I'll just cut some and then I will fry it. Yeah, look at that. I meant to make it a little crispy. It is already 6:45, and I am going now to the birthday party. I don't know if I will be able to record the party, but for sure I will be very shy. Yeah, they are Filipino also, but I'm shy. This is going to be the second time that I am going to meet them actually.